Want to unlock higher pay and job security in the clinical lab this year? Stick around and I'll walk you step by step through how to get MLT ASCP certification, the exact process labs want, with a common myth busted halfway through. Today, you'll learn how to get MLT ASCP certification fast and right. This is the go-to channel for lab pros chasing ASCP success. Powered by MLSIAcademy, the global leader in ASCP certification prep. Let's break down how to get MLT ASCP certification into simple steps. First, you need to meet official eligibility. That means completing a qualifying NACLS or APHES accredited MLT program, or gaining the required clinical lab experience in an accredited setting. The lab must meet standards like CMS CLA, DoD CLIP, JCI, or ISO 15189 accreditation. Next, gather your documentation. Download and fill out the right training documentation forms. Your immediate supervisor must complete and sign these by hand, and you need a matching letter of authenticity. All documents must be PDFs, with original signatures, no electronic signatures, no photos allowed. Now, apply online at ASCP, uploading everything as you go. Pay the exam fee. You can save your application and return within 30 days. Wait for approval, then schedule your exam. Myth bust. Many think any hands-on lab experience counts, but ASCP only accepts experience from approved accredited labs. Thousands have passed with MLSIAcademy's expert-led live classes, video lessons, study guides, and QBanks, all at dash.mlsiacademy.com. To recap, if you want to know how to get MLT ASCP certification, meet program or experience requirements, upload the right documents, apply, then ace the exam. Explore more ASCP prep with MLSIAcademy. Next time, I'll reveal the best ASCP MLT study guide. Subscribe or check our channel for that deep dive.